everyone, Robyn here. Welcome to mypinkstamper.com. Today I have a super quick video for you showing you a really fast and simple card using our Good Morning Magnolia stamp set along with the Magnolia memory dies. I'm just using this frame here. I have a ton of extra designer series paper that I love and I've been hoarding from our catalog, and I've decided to go ahead and use up whole quarter sheets or 1/6 of a sheet because this is so beautiful that I want to just spotlight it and showcase it a little bit. So there's a little bit of stamping, a little bit of coloring, but they're really super fast cards. In fact, I've made a couple dozen of them just since last night. And it's so therapeutic for me to color with our Stampin' blends. And I'm only using 2 of them. I'm just going to be doing just a little bit of spotlighting and highlighting. I'm not coloring the whole entire image. All right, well, we will start with our stamping first. And I'm using just a half sheet. All you need is a quarter sheet of our thick Whisper white cardstock. And I'm going to be stamping the large flower, and I'm stamping it in our Tuxedo Black Memento ink. And I'll just turn this upside down and ink this up, and then I'm going to just stamp it right on here. Now that's all I need the Tuxedo Black for, so I can go ahead and put this away. Now for the other stamping, we're going to be using a piece of our regular Whisper white cardstock. This is cut at 3/4 of an inch by 3 3/4. And I'm using our classic Old Olive Stampin' Up pad, and I'm going to be stamping the thanks. So I'm making these as thank you cards for some of my customers who placed orders at the beginning of November. I'm getting caught up, everyone. I will be caught up by tomorrow, hopefully. I'm taking this weekend. This is Thanksgiving weekend. This is the first year that I'm kind of staying in. I'm not going out and shopping. I'm just shopping online. So I'm using all my extra time to work a little bit and make projects and craft and stamp and scrapbook and sew. Okay, back to my project. Now for this one, this image, I'm using the light Old Olive Stampin' Blend, and I'm just going to do the leaves on the outside. So I'll go ahead and speed up this process. Okay, I'm done coloring up the green leaves. So I'm not going to speed up this part. This is the light soft suede Stampin' Blend. And I'm just coloring the center, and I'm just coloring the stem of the flower. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull out my die cutting machine, and I'm going to put this die right on the top of this and just line it right up. It does a nice little outline for you. Just roll it through. And then I can set this aside. Punch that out. And now I am ready to put my simple card together. That was the part that took maybe the longest out of the whole entire card. So I have here another piece of our thick Whisper white cardstock cut in half. It's 5.5 by 8.5 inches, and I'm just going to fold it in half like this. And then I'm going to grab my snail adhesive, and I'm going to put it on the back of this. This is our Peacock, Noble Peacock Designer Series paper. This is cut at 4 inches by 5 1/4. And I'm going to have that up like this. Now I'm going to take my thanks strip of paper, and I'm going to have this be about maybe almost 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch from the bottom. And this one won't quite go side to side. It's a little bit smaller, so it's like that. And now I'm going to pull out this and use our foam adhesive strips. These are so super fast when you want to do large spaces and have them lifted up. And they just tear off, which is so nice. Okay, And now I'm going to peel off the backing, and here we go, almost done. Put this on here. Wait, I think I have it backwards. There we go. Have it like this. And I'm going to take some of our Noble Peacock rhinestones, and I'm going to take 2 of these from the collection, and they match the old olive just perfectly. Look at that. I'm going to just put 2 next to each other. And I have our quick card for today right there. And here's another one that I made. And I hope you enjoyed today's video tutorial. If you like what you saw, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I have a brand new video. And leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think of this quick and simple card today. You can find me, more of my video tutorials and my projects, directly on my website at mypinkstamper.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.